If you've ever wished for a version of ChatGPT that was trained on sales and marketing frameworks, knew your business and your products and offers really, really well, and also knows how to prompt itself, heyLevi is an app that actually does exactly that. For every product or service that your business offers, it helps you dial in your positioning, your messaging, your audience segmentation, and your buyer persona so you can speak their language. And we're not just talking about pain points here. We're talking about deep-rooted wants and needs and fears and decision-making drivers that give us the complete picture of who these folks are, who these people are, what their lives look like, and where your product or service would fit into their lives. So you can speak their language on a whole nother level. So let's dive in and let me show you how the app works. So the first thing you're going to want to do is save any product or service that your business offers to the app. And I'm actually going to pretend that I own Squarespace, and we're going to build out Squarespace website templates in this product just to show you how it works. So here I'm going to say Squarespace website template shop. I'm going to give it a description. Just a one-liner description like that is good enough. Let's move on. You want to pick whether this is a product or a service. I'm going to go ahead and pick product for this one. And I'm going to say that my target audience are influencers and personal brands. So I'm going to go ahead and hit generate personas. And now if I hit select persona, you'll see that there are 3 different personas that have been added in here. And you'll see that all 3 of the personas are very detailed and in-depth into what their core motivators are, what is their decision-making process, what is their inner dialogue, all of these things that most buyer personas and customer avatars miss completely. And so your messaging can only resonate so much when you're only talking about pain points, and that's where you stop. All right, so moving on, I can enter in a URL if I already have one, or I can enter the features and benefits of whatever it is that I offer for this product manually. So in this case, since I'm pretending to be Squarespace, I'm going to put that in here, and I'm going to extract the features and benefits from that page. All right, so it's pulled out the pain points that are found on the page, it pulled out the features, and it's pulled out the benefits that relate to these features. All right, so moving on, I'm going to generate positioning. I don't have to do anything here. All I had to do was let the app know what the name of my product was, who I'm targeting, and the app does everything else for me. Now, all of this content that it's generating for me is all editable. So if something doesn't resonate, you can regenerate it, or you can simply edit it and save it, and it will all get attached and saved to your products and services within the app. So there's my positioning, my elevator pitches, my product brief, and my sales brief. Keep in mind that this is messaging that I want to send to not just my marketing team, but also my sales team who is taking sales calls and handling sales objections in real time through conversations, because this messaging is what is going to resonate with each market segment that you're targeting. All right, once I'm done, I can go ahead and save this. Once that's added in here, now I can actually go into the copy generating modules. There are a few workflows here if I want to do multiple things all at once, or all the separated out content modules are in here. And I can dial in my offers using Alex Hormozi's $100 million offer strategy. I can create lead magnets. I can create ad copy, my sales page copy. I can create my lead magnet delivery email. I can also create an entire nurture sequence that has either just email or email and SMS added to it, which is going to take my new leads and nurture them with 7 to 12 touch points to my sales offer. I can create SMS campaigns for existing leads to reactivate them, my video sales letters, emails, whether they're conversation starters or whether it's a campaign, a follow-up email, a prospect retention email. Let's say there's a prospect who's on the fence about buying your thing, or a customer who's considering maybe canceling. You can use this module to create an email that is going to bring them over to your side of the fence. You can also create your YouTube video scripts, blog posts, social media posts, hashtags, websites, and all of your other copywriting needs as well, all in one place. And if you're a high-level agency, you also get special agency privileges with heyLevi. You also get access to these extra settings here. You can match the brand and the layout to your high-level account. So let's say you use a yellow branding, and let's say you like dark mode. There are also a few different layouts to choose from. You can play around with these, preview them, see whatever works with your branding the best. You can also call it whatever you like through your custom menu link settings, and it iframes right into your high-level. You can create multiple feature tiers and limit the number of words or the features that are available in each feature tier. You also get a dashboard view of all the usage in your agency account. You'll see the lifetime words generated, the lifetime tokens generated, words and tokens separately, and also the frequency of use, number of counts, and words generated per module in the app. So there you have it, ChatGPT pretty much on steroids. It does everything, help you strategize your sales and marketing to creating copy for your sales and marketing teams all in one place and all without any prompting required at all.